feather spot a fair bit. Huh. Yeah.
No.
One of those hawks just came right between the trailer and this pile, like 4 feet off the ground.
Huh? I think maybe it doesn't want us here.
Oh, cool. So apparently it's something it's doing with the wind speed over its wings.
Oh.
It's doing a dive and causing its wings to vibrate.
That is so strange.
It's a pretty wild way to make a sound. A rush of wind. It's sort of like blowing across a reed, I'm thinking. Maybe try to scare us off or something.
Yeah, I wonder if that's its house and we're just right next to it.
Parked on its place.
Oh, there's one. Oh my gosh. Right there.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
I said it just came like 4 or 5 feet off the ground.
But that's not the one that's making noise.
No, but they look like they're probably the same.
Oh my gosh, there it is again. Are we gonna get attacked by birds? Wow.
Mm-hmm.
Its eyes are glowing?
When I light it up with the flashlight, it has luminescent eyes,
Oh.
like a fox or a raccoon. Not. I think that means it's nocturnal. It's luminescent.
Yep.
Luminescent eyes.
Means we're gonna have this all night. Wow. Nature.
No bird. You light up each time it comes upon. Neato.
I don't think there's really hiking around here, but
If you touch dirt, it's hiking. Nothing but dirt.
alright. Get over here.
Time to investigate the RV here.
Yeah.
Yep. You already have a sunburn. Very leave fingerprints on your shoulders, hon.
Wow.
Yeah. Fair skin lady, you. Wow, this is beautiful.
Yeah.
It's pretty stunning. I want to see how you approach this thing.
Well, you already told me there's nobody in it, so.
I mean, as far as I can tell, there's a lot of junk in there. It could be somebody like laying down on the floor in the back, but I have checked it out from both side windows. It looks like it's just abandoned with garbage inside. I'm ready.
Oh my gosh, seriously?
I'm kidding. I mean, hey, why not? You can target shoot out here. mean, I guess you could look and see if it has any license plate.
Yeah.
That'd be a pretty solid way. They'll at least know that's probably not been on the road recently.
Mhm.
Like flat tires, no license plate.
Yeah. Crashed.
Trash. Yup, got it out, filled with random boxes of junk food, bike and other trash. Just film your sexy back.
You know what we need?
What?
An inflatable pool.
Oh, I was gonna say microphones.
We should do that typical YouTuber thing where you put the camera down
Walk away from it.
and walk away from it and then come back and get it. Scratch my back.
Ghostbusters green.
It's the same spot as
Oh
last
my
time.
goodness.
On the left, down. Oh yeah, right there.
Right there?
Yeah. Is there something there?
Uh-huh. Little mole or something?
Oh. Are you sure it's not a tick?
Yep.
Okay. I'm paranoid.
Don't worry, it's probably only skin cancer. You're fine. Or a mole, whatever. It's definitely not a tick though, that's for sure.
Okay, that's good. Not any other kind of bug
Oh.
burrowing under my skin.
It's a hornet getting ready to sting you.
Yeah.
It's crawling right there.
Oh jeez.
Here comes the rest of the nest.
That was so scary when that hornet flew in the truck. Oh my gosh.
Do you think you'd crash a car if you got stung by a hornet?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
You build a whole course and get the hell off the road?
Part of the reason I don't like riding with the windows open as much when I can help it is because of bugs
Yeah.
potentially flying in and hitting me in the face.